Okay, you guys. Now, here's our document. Let me go to slide 2. Now, on slide 2, follow along with me, okay? Make sure you're focused and paying attention. Now, we know that 75, and we have divided by 5. We already did this one on that last video, but we moved that 75 into that first box where the 10s are, okay? This is where we're going to subtract. We did our dump, and we figured out that 5 times 10 gave us 50, okay? Now, once we subtracted it, we had 25 left over. We moved that 25 over. Notice that the first number, the first thing we start with after we do our dump is putting our number out here and bringing this dividend and put it inside. That's the first thing. So any of these cards that's going to be on the side, when you see the other slides, make sure it has the dividend, that big number there, at the top of the card. Okay, like when you have the cards on the side right here. Now, so we have our 25 up here. Let's jump back to where we were. 25 is up here. Now we had to look at our dump, and we figured out that 5 times this 5 up here, we put it up at the top. 5 times that 5 gave us 25. And then when we subtracted, we had nothing left over. If we had something left over here, it would be an R. Say we had 2 left over. 2 here. Remainder, I'm sorry, it had 2 here, we would have R2, okay? That would be our remainder. All right, now, this right here, what you're looking at on this side, this is just adding up the numbers on the top. That's what we used when we multiplied to subtract right here, okay? So that's when we add these 2 up, that was on the top, and this is our total answer right here, okay? And if we have anything left, remember that is our remainder, so we would put it a R2 or whatever your remainder is, okay, after you subtract. If you subtracted this remainder is the same as that or bigger, then you didn't do the work right and you'd have to start back over somewhere or subtract some more. Anyway, so let's look at this one. I'm going to do this one with you. 87 divided by 3. Remember what I said. You have to put that dividend on the top. So that means that 87 will be the first thing right there. Okay, so I'm looking at my card over here. I see a 87 take away 60. I'm going to move that card over. So that means I took 60 away. I got to figure out, what did I multiply the 3 with to put up here? Something times that 3 gave me 60. Okay, if you look on your dump, if you did your dump, you would see what it is, okay? And because I know my multiplication facts, it's going to be 30 up there. So I would type in 30, okay? Which I don't have. Let's see. Let me see if I can type it in real quick for you. So I will put 30, all right? Now, remember what I do next. Take this 27, slide it up here. Okay, since I'm not typing in this box, look over here. Here you go. Here's your 27. There we go. 27. Now, I didn't even do the work to get the other 27 down there. So that tells me that if I look at my dump, I can see what did I multiply the 3 with to give me that 27. If you know your multiplication facts, you would know that that would be 9, okay? So, now that leaves you with this right here. All you have to do is take the top numbers here, the 30 plus the 9, and type them in there, and that will give you an answer, okay? And since this is left over, well, did I put that wrong? Oh, I put 90. Y'all, I messed that up. So this shouldn't be 30 because 3 times 3 is 9. So that should have been 20. Hopefully some of y'all caught me on that before I caught myself. Okay, so put those two together. 20 plus 9. So I would put 20 and then 9. And then I'll slide this box right here. There we go. So our answer would also be right there. Since it's 20 plus 9 right here, our answer is going to be 29 up here. Okay, I'm not going to type that for time's sake. Now let me jump down here. Once again, remember, you have to do your dump. Your dump is the divisor. Okay, so it's the number that's going to be out here. So 7 times whatever, all the 7s of whatever you want to do. You still need to do like the times 20 times 30. Okay, so but since I'm smart and you are too, we know that we're going to start after the dump. We're going to start with our dividend up here. So you would look here. Here's your dividend, 86. Find it here. Since it's already given us some stuff. 86. I see an 86 here. Do I see another 86? Nope. So it has to be this one. Okay. Now, let me move it down a little bit. Now, if you have your dump, all you have to do is look. What did you have to multiply this 7 with to get that 70? Okay. I'm sure some of you guys know already. 10. Let me hurry. Of course, my keyboard doesn't want to act right. Okay. Let's try again. Okay. That keyboard is not acting right. So, but you know it is 10. 10 will go here. Okay. Let me back up because I probably deleted that. Yeah. I think I deleted the whole box. Let's try it again real quick. So it will be 10 there. So this 10 times 7, it gave us 70. Now, of course, we would pull this 16 and put it up here. So I'm looking over here. What do I get? 16. I see it here. Put it there. Now, 16 take away 4. I didn't even have to do all that work to figure it out what's up under it. So, but I still need to figure out what did they multiply the 7 with over here with something to give me that 16. I'm sure you know. It is a 2. Okay. Let's get rid of that question mark. Now, tell me before I say it. What am I doing here? What goes in those 2 boxes? Okay. We're just adding up those. Good. 10 and a 2. Okay. So you would type that in there. 10 plus 2. And that's where I got it from. That's what you had to multiply. That's going to be your answer. Okay. But look, there's something left over. Okay. So 10 plus 2 is 12. But then you have the remainder 2. Okay. Let's put it there if I can get it there. Okay, so that's your answer. You would also type it in right there. Okay, you would also type it in right there. Okay, now, and you're going to do the same thing here. Remember, to get this, remember you put your dividend, which is that first number, inside of this box. Now, once you have it in there, once you see that number, you go over here and look for it. And it's the 93, okay? And then you don't even have to really do the whole work with your dump on this. You'll have to see it's 80, but then you have to figure out what did you multiply to get that 80, okay? Hopefully this kind of helped you guys out. If it didn't, go back and look at it again. Look at the beginning. That might help. Okay. Let's get it.